Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see here, this is a handmade custom wig, full lace real HD frontal that I colored for my model. She's going away to Jamaica and she wanted extra color than she usually gets. So I brightened this baby up and she's ready to go. So I hope you guys stick around. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and I do unboxings, tutorials, how-tos, anything that has to do with beauty. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button and join the squad. Now, if you would like to learn how to make a wig from scratch, I am going to link a video down below where you can learn how to make your own wig from scratch. Beginner friendly, guys. Don't worry about it. The tutorials on my channel are very transparent. You will definitely be able to take away something and add it to your own technique. So guys, stick around till the end. Remember to hit like on the video. Remember to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see how this unit came out. She cut it down a lot, which I wasn't happy about, but yeah, it still came out cute, guys. So stick around and see how much I had to cut it down because my model did not want to leave it long. It wasn't even long. It was like a 12-inch, but yeah, you know how it goes sometimes. You gotta listen to your customer. I tried to talk her out of it, but she was not having it. And excuse my voice, guys. I do my voiceovers in the morning. So this is not my real voice. I'm kind of like, yeah, so I gotta wait a little later to start doing my voiceovers, but so if you want to know where I got this real HD lace from, drop a comment below and I will give you the tea on where I got it from. See how beautiful it is? It just blends with her skin so nice. And handlers and new handlers and upcoming handlers, I keep reminding you guys, there's a raffle in progress. I encourage you guys to join the raffle. These wigs, they fit so snug. They're handmade by me. You will not regret an Alicia Handles It wig. So join the raffle, guys. All you gotta do is do a super thanks and that will be your ticket for the raffle, and I will let you guys know when is the drawing. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do it live or if I want to finish the last day of the raffle live. I'm going to figure all of that out. When is the drawing? But if I were you, I would get a ticket now. The unit fits so flat. It's smooth when you rub your hands over it. It's not loose inside. You can't like pick it up and pinch it and you have like a big space in between. These wigs are very snug to your head. You can actually put it up in a ponytail. So like I said, guys, join the raffle. There'll be more raffles to come, but you know, for a good feel, see how this one works out. And it's not expensive to join, so hit that super thanks button and join the raffle, guys. So at this point, if you're watching the video, I'm going to ask you to hit that like button right now. And definitely stay till the end because I really like how it came out, even though she made me cut it. I keep saying that. But I'm going to be quiet now so you guys can really pay attention to this beautiful lace and how nice the hair is. Like I said, I will leave the information in the description box about the hair, and I'll also leave a video link to how to make your own wig. And I will also leave a link, or not a link, but if you leave a comment about asking about where I got the lace from, I will definitely leave that for you also. So guys, enjoy the video. Remember to leave a like, and I see you guys at the end of the video, maybe. And no, this hair did not come from Wild Angel, guys. It did not come from Wild Angel, even though I like Wild Angel. Their company is okay. I deal with them on several accounts. But yeah, this is not Wild Angel, so I tricked ya. Look at the beautiful color. Look at the layers, guys. Come on. Join the squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.